Hello, today let's look at how to remove protected view from Microsoft Word. So if you want to remove protected view from your Word document, follow these steps. First, click on the File menu. Then you select Options. Then you click on Trust Center. Then you come and click on Trust Center Settings. When you get here, click on Protected View. Then you remove the checkboxes. Then you click on OK. Okay, so now when you open your Word document, the protected view will not appear again. Thank you.